Test drive the 2016 Gran Turismo. The Maserati GranTurismo is the first modern two-door, four-seater coupe that delivers much more than its sensual body initially suggests. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.